Hi, I'm Mustafizur. Today is our topic is Google Ads ad copy. So how can we write a better ad copy for a better CTR? So when we write a ad copy, focus on the following element. What element we are focused on for the ads? First of all, we are seeing the ad audience understanding. When you write the ads, you should understand your audience, what they needs, what they pain point, what they desire for that. So based on this desire and pain point, you are writing the ads copy. After that, keyword relevance. When you write the ad, you try to take keyword relevance ad copy. As you know, you are when you run the campaign, you search the keywords earlier for your ad. So you take keyword from there and try to write ad copy with this keyword relevance. After that, we are seeing the clear value. In that point, you are focused on the clear value for your product that you're selling for the customer. So audience should understand your product easily. When you write that copy, you are trying to focus on this point. This is very important point for you. After that, we are focused on the emotional appeal. In that area, we are finding the problem and solution for this product, but for this audience, your audience, what they need, we are focused on there. So after that, we are taking the action oriented CTA. In that area, we are try to use some power words, I mean CTA, so that user can understand that this product is available, you are understand the product you are describe the what they need, sign up, discover more. This kind of CTA button you want to use, you are using this on ad copy. After that, our topic is clarity. So this point, in this element, we are seeing that what kind of message you are throw for your audience. Is that clear, concise, or easy for them? They are understand your message, understand your ad copy. This is the focus point for this point. Okay, after that, we are focused on the urgency. We are our some of our product, we are trying to sell very quick, or we are just show on the ad copy that our product is very limited, only few left. In that area, when we use those kind of CTA, the product sale is increased. After that, we can use social proof. This is very important for ad copy. Social proof means is that we are taking some ratings, reviews from the audience or customers. We can focus on this ad copy in the below area. So it is very beneficial for the ads. It will be increase your conversation. After that, we can see the ad format optimization. In that area, we try to focus on the ad format, that is okay or not, as standard maintain ad format. Every sentence come from another to another is the formatly. After that, we are testing the ad copy, it is okay for not. We are multiple ad copy writing in that area, so we are kind to testing A/B test with that area. Okay, this is the total overall discussion about the ad copy. So here is the point again. I want to review: audience understanding, keyword relevance, clarity, emotional appeal, action oriented CTA, clarity, urgency, social proof. So this is the main point for the ad copy elements. After that, we are seeing that how can we write the headlines. In that area, we are focused on some points. So when we write the headlines, so first of all, search keyword. We should take the search keyword, that is always searching from the audience. So we try to find out the keywords that is very randomly searching in the web platform. So we try to use it in the headlines. After that, we are trying to analyze the competitor. what kind of competitor are there, what kind of ad they are running in their, what kind of word they are using, like that affordable, granted. We try to use this kind of word in that area. So after that we are seeing that use power words like this: free, limited time, certified. This is very beneficial for the ads. This is more lucrative ad copy we can write. After that, match keywords like this. Our keyword is affordable roof repair, and this is the random word: free estimate today. So when we match this one, it will work more efficiency. When we search, someone search affordable roof repair, it will also show this one. And last of all, we are testing this. If testing this headline, it is okay or not. Multiple headline we are writing, we can test from there. So we know how to write the ad copy and the keyword. So we try to search how can we write the ad copy. So I try to this is our keyword. I talking earlier that we are mismatched with the keyword when we write the headlines. So this is the headline I take from web. This is for tagline: the secure web hosting option, free website hosting solution. After that, web hosting, your path to perfect hosting plan. After that, your chief online web hosting, and that best web hosting companies in USA. This is random for keyword I taken from the web. After that, I mismatch with this keyword, make a relevant keyword. You see, the best web hosting I take from there, best web hosting, and the solution from here, and in USA I take this from here. So I make a head copy based on the keyword. This is the keyword. We can search from online and take here just like this. We are searching web hosting in USA. We just take this one and this one and match with this keyword and make a head copy headline. So after that, this is the manual process we are writing earlier. So now we are using ChatGPT. Why using ChatGPT? It is more easy, more relevant, and more better smart ad copy we can make with the ChatGPT. So you were know about the ChatGPT earlier. So I just prompt some command in there like this: write 10 ads copy ad title within 10 characters for the web hosting. See, they are provided more lucrative ad copy from there. We can take from here. The ad copy is more relevant for with your website, with your product website, whatever you said. After that, I am writing more. You are giving the more ad copy. You can, when you say when you write this ad copy, if you are not like this, you can write more. You are getting more ad copy from there. After that, I write a prompt again, that description within 90 character Google Ads using above keywords. I want to write a description with based on that. So here is that the ChatGPT suggests me some key description that is more lucrative. When we write manual process, it is not look like that. It is time efficiency and more easy to understand the user or audience. So I just take this like that with the headlines and the description. So now we go to the campaign, see how can it work. So I just, this is my accounts. We are try to write the ad copy in there. So first of all, we take a new campaign. I just select sales, continue. After that, I want to run search ad. I give a website. I already have a website URL, so this is my website. We know the campaign name as continue. No, I want to take start new. We already know about the bidding, okay, I just skip this one. Next, we know about the locations, networks. I not change anything right now, and to go to next, and then skip, and see they are suggest me some keyword based on the website. So this is our main part where you are writing the ad copy. First of all, we give the final URL in there. After that, they want to display path. I just write web hosting. Okay, you see this is updated from here. Okay, web hosting. After that, they are suggesting some headline from there. We can write 15 headlines more max in there. So we just take their headlines from there. It's not more than 15. Okay, this is 15. So we just take the headline from our we are searched before that you see from the chat GPT. We just paste from that. This is more easy for us to write ad copy. So I just randomly paste some ad copy from there. You'll see the ad copy is updated already. We can see in the dashboard the affordable hosting deals, fast and secure web hosting. You can pin a selected headline from here, so you can see where the ad is always fixed from your top, and randomly change other one in there. You see top hosting is fixed from here, and another headline is changing randomly. It is optimized by Google. After that, we can write the description that we see. How can we take the description from other platform? So here is the description. We can write 4 description max. You see that 0/4 is showing, so we just write that copy. I just write 3 ad copy. You see that ad copy is updated here, so we see the ad copy, and the headline is already complete, and it looks fantastic. And after that, there is some option. I talk it in another video. Site links, call out, and another option is available in there. So that is okay. That is all of that. We can write ad copy here, and the process you are see that I saw you earlier. This is the main thing is you understand that elements how can we use for writing ad copy. Thanks for today. If you have any questions, please write in the comment below. I can answer for your questions. Thanks.